Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming Coreldraw document settings because color mode and DPI affect image quality. Once checked, open File Import or press Ctrl+I, then browse to your picture. Choose raster formats like JPG, PNG, TIFF. Click once to place at original size, or click and drag to define a custom frame. Make sure you position roughly where you want it, since moving and resizing later will change interpolation. This gets your image into the workspace quickly, ready for adjustments. Now refine the image so it behaves correctly in your layout. You'll use the property bar to set width and height, lock aspect ratio to avoid distortion. If you need consistent file portability, embed or convert to bitmap via Edit Paste Special or the import options. Embedding prevents missing link problems. For layout control, place the image inside shapes with Power Clip or use the mask tool to crop non-destructively. Make sure to check resolution and resample only when necessary to preserve sharpness. Finish by preparing the file for output. Export with File Export, choose Format, set resolution, 300 dpi for print, 72 for screen, and select Color Profile if required. Once done, flatten or group objects to lock layout and save a working copy with layers intact. If you see pixelation or color shifts, make sure the original image resolution matches your target. Convert the document color space or embed the ICC profile to fix color drift. These final checks prevent surprises during print or sharing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.